Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another part of my collection spotlight series. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Tamiya Lunchbox. Now this is an RC that I think every RC person should own. I've wanted one since I was a kid and I finally had a chance to pick it up when I got back into RCs. But definitely anyone who is into RCs should have one of these. First we'll take a look at my version of the Tamiya Lunchbox before I go into what mods I have done for this. Alright, so one of the things I've done is I painted the grill black, as you can see here, and the exhaust here black as well. You can see that I've added a roof rag with a light bar up top. I can add all of this stuff into the description below. You'll definitely get all of that. There's a few, or actually several mods that I have done for this to make it really more expensive than it should be, Tamiya Lunchbox. But it drives, and it drives well. So let's take a look at some of those. So you'll notice here I've got kind of a makeshift strut bar to go between these two strut towers. It's just a turnbuckle arm, and get a closer look at it. Alright, I am running a Hobbywing XR10 just stock electronic speed controller, and really what I have in here is kind of overly powerful, or this thing's kind of overpowered, honestly. I've got a Speed Passion 13.5 turn brushless motor. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe right there you can see it better. So this thing does run on a 2S LiPo, and that's what I run it on. Let's show you some more performance mods. Well, actually, let me show you how it looks with the lights on. So here is how it looks with the lights on. Then I put a switch back here for that light kit, where I can change the mode of the lights. Don't know if you can see that, but there's a switch right there. So of course when I hit that switch, you get different modes of lights. Got that. So I've got this. Headlights too as well. Yeah, so you can see there's a bunch of different modes for the lights. Now, one of the mods that I did that is kind of pretty common among lunchboxes is that you'll notice when you compress a lunchbox's suspension that the wheels will kind of, you're just going to get the wrong camber. But with the mods I made, you'll see that the wheels don't just kind of flip up like that. So let's take a look at what those mods are. So what I've done here is I've done the Fxr mod. And let me try to get you a better view of that. So I've done the Fxr mod, right? These These are the FX arms, and I use like a part of the suspension arms from the CW-01 to make this joint right here that I could attach the bottom of the shocks to right there. You can see how that works. I'll also, you know, change the arms here for the steering. And here's a little closer look at what my suspension looks like. Of course, all of this stuff is detailed on my website, so go to my website and I'll have all the details for all my builds there. In the back here, I forgot who makes these, but I also have this rear stabilizer bar right here as well. And the shocks attached right there. The shocks are also upgraded. Part of the stability, which you'll see later when I'm driving it, comes from the fact that I also have added a kind of like a brace right here to the chassis. You can see right there. So there's a brace right there as well. And you'll see how well this drives. I know this is a wheelie truck, but this truck, the Lunchbox, is not, it just doesn't wheelie anymore. Not with these mods. So if you want to keep it as a wheelie truck, you probably don't want to do these mods. If you just wanted to kind of mess around, drive it really fast with stability, then yeah, these mods help a lot. And I think that's about it for all the mods I have for my Lunchbox. So stay tuned for a running video. And of course, I will try to update my website to put all the mods in detail. You can go check it out there, and I'll have the link to that in the description below as well. So, stay tuned for the running video.